Hey folks, this is Basant here. If you are a freelancer, offer your services and selling out the things for the other people or the brands, then in this video I'm going to show you a freelancing software. Basically, it is going to give you the all the things that you need to manage your business online, selling your services or offering your freelancing, including project management. You can manage your clients, you can send them the invitations for the white labeling client portals, you can send them the invoices, you can send them the proposal, you can accept the payments, and so many things here. So this is the Indy platform, and here you can see that we have the calendar to manage the our task or the things we need to do with our team. We have the contracts creation with the sign-in feature. We have the files, forms, invoices, proposal, task, and a time tracker, so that can conclude the our timing for the project finishing here. So this platform is right now available on the App Sumo starting from this $39. Yes, all you need to pay is the $39 one-time payment, and you can get its premium plan here. So let me scroll down below. You can see there's only the one plan, but with the lifetime access. You will get the unlimited proposals creation, the invoices, you can onboard unlimited clients. It has the branded client portal. You can make it white label with your brand colors or the brand logo. It has the Google integration for the calendar and the Gmail integration. Okay, and this is how its platform look like. Okay, so in this video, let's get started with its features overview, and let me tell you all the things that is going to go crazy about this platform for your freelancing or the services selling. So if you want to check it out, the lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description, and this is how its dashboard going to look like. And in the dashboard you will see the your basically the insight, how many payments you got issued, the things going on, the proposals, the due tasks for today or the tomorrow. Okay, and on here you can see we have the workspace available. So with the workspace you can create different categorize things with your brands or with your customers here. That is the good thing what I like it here. Okay, and now my favorite thing is the time tracking. If I click just here on the play button, it will just start going on the timer that is going to track my time to fulfilling a task. So this thing is going to help me to understand how my team or myself taking the time to doing our work. So it is going to really make your productivity here. Okay, so now let me just close this one. Okay, and click here on the mark, and now you can see this is the time work session, and this is the different one. So if I just open any of the time session, okay, first let me save it here so I can give you the more information here. So this is all the information. Let me click here on the close, click again, and now you can see this is all the work session I have gone. If I open any of one, it is going to give me the more insights here. Okay, and in the Launchpad we are going to see the some tutorials, we are going to see the some steps, so we can understand this platform much better. And it has the payment integrations with the PayPal and the Stripe. So these are the two most famous integrations this platform is also offering. And you can set up the recurring payment, you can set up the one-time payment with your clients here. Okay, now let me tell you how you can add your client. So simply go to the people here, and this is, let me tell you, this is for the collaboration. So you can add your team members, you can add your clients from here. Okay, for example, I have added this contact person as the client, not the team person, but as the client. Here you can see this is the client. Okay, and now let me open it, and you will see the more details like their email address, their phone number. Okay, you can see the chat with them, the projects they are working with you, the proposal, the contacts you have sent, the invoices, the files. So all the things you are going to see in a centralized platform or the dashboard here. And let me tell you, you are also going to send this client invite to your clients. Okay, so as soon as you onboard your client in this platform here, they are going to see an invite here. So if they click here on this invite, they will be the landed here. And let me tell you how they will see their client portal. Okay, so let me see where is that option available to custom client portal. Okay, I have just seen that. Let me go to the contacts here. Okay, and I haven't created a contact. Let me click here on the create contact. Okay, and no, this is for the contract, not the contact. Okay, so I have to get back to the project portals. I have to go to the project portals here, and you can see this is the project portal. And here you can see, let me preview the portal here. So you can see, so your client is going to land in this portal to see their tasks, like the overview task, the chat, the contracts, all this stuff the client can see here. And let me tell you, you can make it the full white label. Here's your brand logo, or the color will start appearing and all this stuff here. You can see there is no Indy branding here, so that thing going to make you the white label. Okay, so let me close this preview. So that's how you are going to add the contacts as the your team members or the clients here. You can mark them under the any project here, like I have just added here in a project, you can see. Okay, and from here I can also send out the proposal, the contacts and the invoice. And don't worry, even you don't know how to create the proposals or the invoices or the contract, there's the pre-designed templates available that you can use. So let me go to the contracts here, and now let me click here on the create a contract. So here you can see we have this templates available, like the subcontractor agreement or the non-disclosure agreement. Or what you can do, you can also get started from the scratch. So it has the so many contracts available here. So let me open any of one, like the content creator. So let me open one, and here's the best part. If you can see here, this is the consultant, but if I go to the client, here you can see I can select the client. Let me select that one, and you can see the client name and the information will be automatically applied to your contract here. That is the best thing what I like it here. Okay, and now I can simply continue and send this contract to my client, and they will receive within their email here from the Indy. So that is also a good part. The same way you can send them the invoices. Okay, simply click here on the create a contract invoice. Okay, and you have the templates available. Let me open any of the template. Okay, use this template, make the changes and send them. That is the beautiful and the easy and the effortless here. Same way you can send out the proposal. Click here on the create a proposal. You can also create from the scratch or use the ChatGPT. There are the so many ways, but we have the templates available. So I'm going to use this one, that is the event planner proposal, and you can just use this template, and now I can just customize it. And based on the customization, it has some presets available that is going to automatically load like your client name, the information from your database that you have added in the contacts. Okay, or this people option. So that is the thing. Now let me tell you how you can manage your task and the team members with it. So you know there's the time tracker option is available. So simply add your team member, and after that you can either go on the calendar. Okay, and on the calendar, like this one, on the this date I have just added a task that buying a domain for the client here. Okay, so let me open this one. Yeah, this one here you can see for the project I have added. You can see the ask client domain variation and purchase the domain name. So you can also do that. So once this thing is done, your team member, or what you can do, you can simply click here on the yes, and now this thing is done here, and this is marked yes. The blue means it is done here. So simply click here any of the date on which you want to create a task. Okay, so I have selected this date here, and now you can just click here on the new event. Okay, and new event, you can name the event like the creating web portal. Okay, then after that you can select the time frame which you want to indicate your team members to within this time frame this task will be completed. You can select the guest as the client. Okay, then select the project. So I have created this project, but you can create more here. Okay, and after that you can add the description, and here your calendar will appear. So you can also integrate with the Google, so then it will start showing up your Google calendar. And click here on the save and the invite, and boom, your task is ready here. You can see, go to the, let me go to the events, let me show you. Okay, first let me go to the calendar back here, and I have just selected the that date. Yeah, this date here. So let me see where's the thing going on. No worries, no worries, there that will be the here 29th. Okay, let me back to the dashboard here and click here on the new, go to the task section. Okay, no worries, it is I'm just having a little bit confusion here. Okay, because this platform is also new for me, and you can see this task that I have created will appearing here. Okay, so I will go with the all tasks. I will go for the next 7 days, and you will see here all your tasks. Okay, so that is also the how the things done here. Okay, so basically you can use the calendar that way. Okay, then I have also talked about the invoices. Okay, so basically you can create the invoices using the templates and then send them out, and your all the time tracking things or the work sessions going to appear here. So this is how the Indy platform super useful. Okay, and that way you can easily add your projects, you can add the clients, you can add the tasks, you can manage all this stuff here on the single place. You can accept the payments, you can send out the invoices, proposals, or even the contract to signing in, all this stuff from this single place. So this platform makes it the best for the freelancers or the services sellers here. So right now the pricing is for all the things I have showed you right now, making it white labeling. So let me tell you how you can make it white label. So simply go to your account icon here, and here you will find out all the things like you want to make it the white label. So go to the branding and the style, and here you have to add your logo. You can just enable this white labeling and your platform will be the white label. Okay, so get to the getting paid, and here you can integrate the payment gateway. Okay, then we have also the message templates that you are going to send your customers as the emails. Okay, you can see all this stuff, and these emails will be sent as soon as you create the contract or the invoices. This is the notification and this is the integrations. Okay, so that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the videos and the SaaS tools. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.